Ashefo Ghana wahala dwumadi na ebre aso se enen so yede ebeso mo se de dane da ye no obomofo ene ne nam ewo apaso ne de nsem egu apono so too much yede ebre ahwefo de ebusuafo echinkuri na me amidi dwumadi hu chia me midin ene ekua sikapa ene dayi na watwi mu chese ense bebre ena ekoso efa TV presenter binin sembia wokan ya na Ghana fo binum ehu ne se enye ne kwan so a eno ne ene dayi abrante bi aba in her defense aba be cheche ensemu ache omanfo ne etiefo mo yehu se enyoma ekoso no aya na enye womo kasa ewo kasa fidie so no womo emfunso na moma yembunra ensem no emu nanu ada na ebeto eja ese nana Yaa Brefo obabi amamunim so wo Adom TV multimedia channel honum na multimedia worker na emra CouId actor Bishop Bernard Nyakun wo free mu enum na obia ba ekokotina social media na obia sorry am no ko station we no koche na adwe na chese ensem kaye no na akoye bebre eno ema chese nunuanum binum ekokopie mu ewo Adom TV na wo mo echeche wo mo ensemu ekeka ensem defa actors ne actresses no ehun na eno na enkomodidie mu a eno na mama Brown efre edi esi mu anase wo buy online ana chese wo mo etwetwe na no enkomo na no ma baya no busa no ensemfo amienu ebi se Bishop Benanya kwa wo se wo mo frɛ na wonya no omo frɛ na wonya no ena wo mame omo frɛ mame se na sei ena mama ma ena sei se eyampo se wo frɛ abrante ne dia ena wo mbobɔ ne number ebiem osabusa se abrante no na yida se yede na tompam kwakwakosie no CouId actors CouId actresses womu ebeko biana na enoma na mama gbon ignore all these questions a one kasa amfa wo hu ne se enye relevant question am wo se wo busa no na no ema nua agese o no so journalist wo ba Arnold ebebe ka se na Yaa Brefo embe apologize to na mama Brown efasa ensem because said it was unprofessional and it like she wasn't matured enough to ask that question. Wono so edia wode ba na no na mam Ghana fo bebre adwen ekọ so na tese dan da wo bia etwa ede ebo na Yaa Brefo edi na tem ekan ayakayaka de ensem ede eche no na wotwie we na ete se na Yaa Brefo wode resignation letter akọ ama multimedia group of company limited se wo jai adwuma enum na no Ghana fo binum ehun ne se na ma issue ri na ma enu nti wo na adwin se wo jai adwuma na jese na ma na emanum jai adwuma no na ebinum nso se ane company na no wo mo ehunu abaya ne so mfaso a wo omunya no ne so enu nti na wo jai no wo mo nya o ma jin se wo mo stop na se bibia because omunim se wo jai am wobenya obi fufo ebinum nsusu se ebia na abaya no nice bibi so enu nti na jese we ba na opekwan yejai na waye den wafa sa de we so na adwin se wo jai na nsa no se de na ekọ na adapa no se de na ye omu etwa no we ama award-winning journalist awasanso former worker multimedia Kofi Adomaa wanwani akọ ni Facebook page akọ dressy issue efa na Yaa Brefo na mama Brown wo mo nsensem no de ekoso wo mo entem na no abrante no echemu se hwe omanya ye wo medias anasa wo mo ye nsantwura adwuma no wo mo ebre papa se de mu hu no a ye de bebetu TV suma mo na nya sa na tie behind the scene o anasa nya sa na tie se de mu hu no ade bi wo ho no a wo akra krom no okra enbo enju so se wo beka enso ne aka de ahye wa no sa kwapa wutimi free mood nim vema na se ne gi a wo de start ade no krampo no etimi ma eputi wo off wo hu no how a wo best started then it ma okra we confused but now say aka dey ahye wano say kan say yinti no na why then waka afi ensem beba no na wo mo ayi ensem ni nyina e dey ahye wo wani ma na wo mo de wo wani ma kwa kodina ho na wo mom oje eye eya anasa wo oje eye kasa twitwie na eba na mom na wo mo de wo mo ewo akire enso wo mo ena ema wo edi sa edwuma no nti ma mo mfa so bo no embo aban because aban do onim ne say oye hard working na wonfa na dwuma endi agro na abusunya mama yenkokenkan eye Kofi Adomaa wawani nensem a wode etu edwa no ewo ni Facebook page na ye bia yentoa ensem no eso. Sad reading comment after Yaa Brefo resignation from multimedia. She is fine, devoted, hard-working journalist. Unfortunately, when you are behind the scene, you hardly know what goes on when one is on air. Producers push you with questions and directions. Also, you think on top of your mind. One thing I know about her is dedication and passion. I wonder if people will have written all these insults if she were to be dead. Just thinking aloud. We any a year and someone. Yenya Berman wodi etu ejana chese eye no ma ekon producers na ka ho bi. Wumpo oyo producer waka. Obetimi aka sa wonye de na say adwuma no na etua wo. Wo be ye elso na wo bo enyo so de amemmenemfe ene be ye asemba so na eyi ede ahya wo konto o si enti nipa ntinka wo wu a sei ena kan be ka na kira asem ana enti se de ekoso no enye abaya no mfonso no nim se abaya no de oye dedicated and a hard working person at say won fa na dwuma endi agro enti nyoma se yakoso no aye ne ye pa na wogidi se multimedia no na ehu wo madwuma eyeye na abusua wo hwa multimedia nkrofo a ejai every wonom akọ ye despite group of company limited hot side no dey say abusua ano eden wo ne say emfunso no anasa dodo na no sobo na yemfa embo am because omu ha won be handle womo enioma womo programs anasa womo presenters na ye no mu ha womo be handle womo must handle womo anyhow ema womo busa question bia any kwanse womo ebusa na because ye nua be me ya wode ne nsem ko to Facebook na oye adwuma ewo multimedia asese na Yaa Brefo so wono so ejai noma bebre na ekoso ewo eho no mo majai edi every multimedia akwakwa ye ensem bebre na ye nua yi edi nsem wei etu edwa no na chese ebinum nso so wo mo ne ya adwen ede wo mo de nso so egu akwamuma yenkenkan adwenche no ebim Thomas ede ode ebe si Kofi is very sad she resigned. You can see the dedication in her work, but the unprofessional behavior about some of you presenters is very annoying. We people sit on set and behind the censor. Your utterances and the line of questions are very annoying and embarrassing. Kofi, I think every presenter and the producer go through topics to be treated to their listeners and also questions to ask his or her panelists or the person you are coming to interview. So Kofi, if you wanna tell me if your producer say ask your guest today, did you have sex with your wife before coming to work? Are you going to answer such an embarrassing question? So if your producer asks you to ask unnecessary questions, can't you resist such question from your producer because it is unprofessional ethics? It is very sad it ends that way. I'm so sorry for her. And so no say now okay dey no ya join na so ya discussion ebekoso ya nyoma mo be kan producers no ene motena se ma mu hunu se we ene ye be treating ensemfo bi se ene mebusa enti aba ne say na wo producer be ka cho sa na wo director be ka cho say ye ni say ya wo be ye se wo hwe na hu say ye unprofessional dey ka cha ni se wuntimi enye enti se wakọ interviews ni ebusa se Kofi na wo be udwa wo yiri mu ansa na wo ba wo begina ho aka say ai mi dwa mu ansa na me ba there because this be one when you can say directors na producers wo mu busa because be one ma ya na ye abufu enti no de all kano ote ase de na so ne ya say ende that way de amana na Yaa Brefo ye nua Kenneth de ode about say nowadays there hardly is any trouble somewhere without the name Nana Amagbon being involved as the cause. Is this one her hidden talent? From trouble everywhere in even dead people? No so Eddie no be say wo how ekoso nyina Nana Amagbon edi ewom. They say the wakwa ye say obi a jeze bibi asem bi ekwa wu edi se kokokra no bibi ekowu a egi se ekokokra no obi asem bia wowom wo momote ase asem wowom wo momawu asem wowom enti we eye ne hidden talent bi ade adoma chedi bi yankopon de adom no se de bia onfa confusion embra enkrofo ntem wo momote ase no wo momawu se de be ya wono so de be trend ana because they say eye aginsem bibi ani di ewom ne de enye ye nua bi so e de ode eba yo say if I have share in multimedia, I will remove it from today because they do things as if they don't have head. Or also so Edian. Also, I know they are saying car. Well, you made the Biana ni sika na ni BB eka multimedia juma ko no ho pan de anko no. And pray anko ye for because one mu ye juma said the omuni tire. One mu ye omuni maybe said the omuni adwen nyam nam kan yo mi kan ye no what say ye. Ye never so edia wa day eba you say I'm start seeing her dedication to multimedia and comment being said to her. I nearly cried looking at her pics on her head with a apotoyua and people blasting her like that. It is sad. Asemo. You see your lovers and when you get problem you see your lovers and those who hate you pam. Labia and so edo de eba ye or say. I like this woman pam, but her unprofessionalism is the issue. Can't change the professional if she accepts or not. Yenya and so edia wode eba ye eben or say, but she was somehow arrogant. Sorry, my dear. No so edia no. Rose Alongaza edia wode eba say, I like this woman pa, but her unprofessionalism is something that I dislike really, really. Kofi, don't worry. In the time past, some listeners has drawn the attention of the account news readers most of the time try to do their own thing. Anyway, that woman can go to UTV where her types goes free. One also so at the end no who say abaya no wo hwe the multimedia for ye na se wontimi ado betimi aya na say UTV for the omababa wo monsem o meje no awa tools because nkofo bebre kwa na wo mo ekọ eho no ebusuafo eye de yenua Kofi Adomaa wo wani wo no so wo de to edwa no ne ya adwen se ensem no ubekom krampo no na eye directors bi ene producers no wo mo ene ka ede hye na no so ensem ba ye no wo mayi ede amano se de wadwen esi efa chewu bia no ubetimi ede ato edwa e wotuma gned comment section ebiem so like your videos na share for more abusuafo follow your Instagram page at @gned_ na emrepem no ye bekenkan ede amamo that's ne ye besane share.